Jordan here from Mulholland Brand, experts in gates, fencing, and railing. Making the right decision about your gate, fence, railing, or pergola is important to us. And we understand that when you're uninformed, it's easy to make a simple decision based on pricing. Most people don't know what to expect when it comes to the cost of gates and fences. As you can see, the price for this door is over $5,000. While it's clear that this isn't designed for a gate, this is the going rate for a beautiful, high-quality product for your property. This pricing doesn't even include installation and delivery. But most importantly, this is not a customizable product for your property. So, since our materials are better, 100% custom for your property, and are installed and delivered by licensed, insured, experienced contractors, then you have an understanding of why our products aren't cheap. And we all understand that high quality, beautiful, and long-lasting products aren't cheap, and cheap things aren't good. So when we're pricing your project, we look at several factors. We look at your project objectives, property size, property terrain, material preferences, accessory preferences, your timeline, etc. It's a custom job every time. And while most competitors will tell you it depends, here's what you can expect. On average, a simple pedestrian gate can run $1,500 to $3,500, and a driveway gate can run $6,000 to $14,000. We charge $95 to $150 per square foot for gates, and $57.50 to $75 per square foot for fences and panels. Our team of experienced project reps will walk you through the process of pricing out your installation so it's the best fit for you. You can rest assured that you'll receive a beautiful product at the best price value. In fact, we can beat any price value of the competition on similar installations. Our experts at Mulholland Brand are ready to offer you the best price value for all of your gate and fencing needs. Click the button below to request pricing.